Támuid an seo I Stad na Gun Gaillimh, where young and old have come weekly since 1935 to be entertained by our amazing greyhounds. Working closely with Gaillimh na Gaeilge over the last 2 years, we have been incorporating Irish into our everyday activities in the stadium. Our goal now is to roll this out into our other 7 stadia nationwide. Starting at the front gate, we endeavour to welcome our customers with a Céad Míle Fáilte. Irish is unique to this country. We believe it provides us and the stadium with a sense of identity. People who come to Galway from abroad and the surrounding areas expect to hear and see the language. We encourage our customers throughout the evening to engage with the language through signage, menus, conversation with our Irish-speaking staff, and some bilingual race commentary. Tá súil agam fáilte go raibh go luath.